Welcome to SOS Electronic. In today's session, we will have a closer look at a 10 USB-C connector for PCB with IP68 rating that can reliably protect your application. USB-C connectors are known for their versatility, and the waterproof version of this technology further expands its use in areas where the standard USB-C would otherwise be unsuitable. If you are designing a portable device with a USB-C interface that needs to be dustproof and waterproof, with ATTENT connectors, you can handle even extreme conditions. The three types of connectors we have selected for our range represent three different dust and water-resistant solutions. With them, you can create a durable and versatile device and no longer need to worry about water or dust. We offer options with IPX7 to IPX8 ratings. These are high-quality PCB connectors with robust construction and sealing. They prevent water and dust from entering the device, regardless of whether the USB cable is connected or not. The connectors are suitable for small portable devices such as PDAs, readers, tablets, or converters. USB-C connectors by ATTENT are now available in our stock offer. Their respective IP ratings, diagrams, and pinout of fully populated connectors, as well as other technical information, can be found on our website. We are happy to provide additional products upon order under advantageous conditions directly from the manufacturer. If you would like to test the component during development, feel free to contact us and we will gladly provide a sample for your project. For more information and other interesting articles, please visit us at soselectronic.com.